the gods, before the halls, there was a name buried beneath the snow.
Where the northern stars still gleam,
stands a mountain carved by ages, guarding every ancient dream.
No man walks its silent pathways, no king dares to cross its stone.
Every shadow hides a secret older than the oldest throne.
Even ravens fear the silence hanging underneath the sky.
Even dragons change direction when they heard the mountain cry.
Every legend spoke in whispers, every fire slowly dimmed.
Something slept beneath the ice, where even gods had never been. Older than the ancient kings,
Every heartbeat
wakes the mountain,
every legend
starts below.
Calling, echo through the frozen night.
Even he stood still in silence,
feeling something greater rise. Deep beneath the ancient mountain slept a force beyond all fear.
Older than the halls of Odin,
waiting through 1,000 years.
No forged blade could ever wound it, no divine command could bind.
Time itself became its prison,
Buried deep beneath the ice.
fallen kings began to tremble, every throne forgot its pride.
When the earth beneath their kingdom slowly started waking life. No god rules forever.
The sky is breaking,
The fire returns,
the mountain opens.
the old world burns.
Every heartbeat
Calls his name,
nothing
will be the same. Legends begin the crown.
before the throne.
The wolf
waited alone.
Some legends are remembered.